Everyone, good evening. Welcome to the new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about series negative clipper with positive bias. In previous lecture, we saw about series negative clipper circuit, and we are going to discuss in the more advanced topics of that one called series negative clipper with positive bias. And the next lecture, we are going to see about series negative clipper with a negative bias also. So let's going into this one. We are going to observe how the operation of this series negative clipper is going to be work with positive bias mode, and that and all we are going to see. So let's go. So this is the circuit of series negative clipper with negative bias. So as you are all aware of this circuit, so this is connected in. So okay, the operation of the circuit we are going to see. So in such a case, you will better understand. This is my input. Okay. After that, for the output also, we'll process something. To the output also, we are going to draw. Okay. For this one, I will use another color to differentiate output and input. Okay. This is my input, and this is a 2 volts positive bias, right? So a 2 volts is there. This is this reference voltage is 2 volts. Okay. This is 5 volts. So what will happen during the positive half cycle? During the positive half cycle, this is positive, this is negative. It means it is in forward bias mode. Correct, right? So it is in forward bias case such that it will pass the entire the sinusoidal signal of 5 volts. But because of having these 2 volts as a reference voltage, so the circuit is behaving like such that if you think it is in positive bias mode, you need to subtract the input with 2 volts. So it means where and all I have my cursor. I have, okay. You can clearly notice such that this is my 2 volts, this is my 5 volts. It means that when we get the output, so the entire sine wave will get, but because of this 2 volts is there, so it will clip up the things, it will clips. So it means up to this, wherever this wave is not present, this means this is not present, right? On such a case, this is will be the output. After that, this 2 volts is subtracting this entire wave, this one. So it means that remaining 3 volts will reflect as output. After this one, again the same 2 volts. It means it will continue remains same. It means this is 5 volts, okay. This is 2 volts. During the positive half cycle, it has to allow entire signal, right? But because of having this positive bias mode, this will subtract and gives as a output. If it is like this one in the 0 position, there is no wave is present. At that, this will reflect as a 2 volts until this one it will reaches to greater than that one. It means if Vi input is greater than Vb, then only it will reflect as a 5 volts or subtraction. If my input is less than my bias voltage, then my bias voltage will be the output. Okay. So you can see up to this point, my input voltage is less than bias voltage. So the bias voltage is as the output. After that, this case, my bias voltage is less than input voltage. So input voltage is coming. After this one, my bias voltage is greater than input voltage. On such a case, my bias voltage will continue. After that, input. after that bias voltage. The same thing will repeat until unless this output is going to be changed. So in this way, this series negative clipper with positive bias is going to be work with the help of the output waveform. I can clearly notice here that this will work in this case. So to clearly understand this case, we go to multisim and will better understand. Let's go to multisim. Okay, right here you can notice here such that I have been taken the diode, function generator, oscilloscope with 2 volts as a reference voltage. This is like a biasing voltage. So let's go to the output. Let's I run this one and double click on oscilloscope. So I'm going to get an output such that this is varying, right? So what is exactly? So to clearly observe here, I will drag down this one. I will drag. Okay. So clearly notice here itself. So in such a case, in the forward bias, it means positive half cycle. It will although enter cycle, but because of my bias voltage is greater than my input voltage, so the bias voltage will appears as the output. When my bias voltage is less than my input voltage, then my input voltage will be coming. After that, in this point, this will dominating, so it will come like this. After that, this will okay. In this way, this series negative clipper with positive circuit will clip off the negative half and will give the a part portion of the positive half cycle. So in this way, this circuit will going to be work in the many applications. So this is how for the session. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. Thank you for watching.